Good morning. Soy John Yarbrough, aka Juanito Yarbrough, aka Biker John, my World Upon Wheels retired world bike tour. And today is Cinco de Mayo. And I am going to do a live stream. I'm always talking about the yummy and yucky parts of Yarbrough. The yummy part of Yucky Yarbrough is about to end until the city corrects Yucky Yarbrough. It will remain Yucky Yarbrough, even though it does have some yummy parts. So I'm at the north end of the beginning of the yucky part of Yucky Yarbrough, Candlewood and Yarbrough, and I'm going to go south across the yucky part here. So let's turn this around and get going. Here in the hidden gem of the world, crossroads North America, anchored by Pasos and the Juarez y Las Cruces. Okay, got it. Okay, here we got bike lane ends, and it's absolutely atrocious, absolutely wrong. Pedestrians and bicycles sharing the pedestrian right of way. That is absolutely incorrect, unless you are a minor. Adult cyclists, and I'm going to role model for how adult cyclists should operate on this road. When we operate our vehicles, our bicycles on the road, in my case, my Franken bike, it becomes a vehicle on the road. We follow the same rules as any of the other vehicles on the road. Now, I notice that I am in the left hand, I am in the center lane, because I am not going to turn right. Neither here nor anywhere else in this right-hand lane. I'm going to go all the way south on this section of Yucky Yarbrough, center lane. That's how adult cyclists will do it. And okay, here we go. There's the green for go. I will maintain, I will keep this lane all the way till you can see the Interstate 10 up until I cross underneath I-10. And Yucky Yarbrough becomes yummy again. Going pretty fast here. Okay. See I-10. I don't know if I will make that green or not. It's a stale green. I-10, still Yucky Yarbrough. Now it's becoming yummy. But it is northbound. It is yucky at this point. Northbound. Okay, that's all I wanted to role model for you. That's here on the yummy part of Yucky Yarbrough. That's something the city needs to take care of. And I'm going to terminate my live stream now. Thank you for joining me. Que tengan buen día. Soy John Yarbrough, aka Juanito Yarbrough, aka Biker John. Cinco de Mayo, 2024. Adios.